Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Ichino. Another very boring Tesla days. Double is still intact. This is the daily chart. Just slight gap open, filling the gap. We still have this key level, is 991.50 area with significant level. So we're keeping an eye on that. Let me jump down to 4 hour. You can see here, just above that, the 4 hour rotation zone. That's the area we'll be watching, 991.50 for Monday. Close below that. Start watching for a potential pullback to about 968 based off the 4 hour. Upper targets still in place, the same ones we've talked about for the last few days. You can see though there's the daily rotation zone about 980. That would be my first target. So, but right before we get to the 968, 967 area, I'd be watching 980 right here. So a break below 991.50, 980, then 967, 968. Then we'd start watching all the way down to 942. Then the bottom of the rotation zone is 922. Those are all the key levels to the downside. Remember, we do have a potential double. That double would be invalidated if we rally above 10,057. So 1057 invalidates the double until that happens. Or if we come down and then make a triple top, then that also invalidates the double. And these targets are only valid if this double triggers. So keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the weekly. Still very, very overextended from the week. We have not touched the rotation zone in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks, which is, I mean, we went, I think, longer back here, but this is getting very overextended. And remember, at some point, it is going to reconnect with the rotation zone, either by pausing, when the rotation zone will catch up, or by dropping and returning to those key levels. Key weekly level, should we return to the rotation zone next week, is 855. So that's the next major level for the weekly rotation zone. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.